start on freshly washed hair. And although my hair is majority dry, I just literally got out the shower. But we're gonna start on freshly washed hair. So usually what I like to do is part it down the middle and part my hair into 4 sections. Usually what I like to do is part it in 4 sections. That way I can put my leave-in conditioner, oils, creams, whatever else you need to put on your hair. I usually get my cream of nature, leave-in conditioner, as always. Regardless if you put your hair in a protective style or not, you always should moisturize your hair. That way, when you're done with it, your hair is still moisturized and it's not breaking and it's still healthy and growing. So I usually like to wet my hair literally until it's soaking wet with this cream of nature, because I don't know, for some reason, when I'm using a liquid, I feel like my hair is just not as moisturized as I use with a cream. So for this particular product, I just wet my hair completely. And I'm just rubbing it in from root to tip, ends to root, really don't matter. So I'm literally rubbing it in. Recently, I got hooked onto this Mael Organics rosemary oil. Yeah, it's a scalp and hair strengthening oil. And what I usually like to do is, it comes like this with a droplet. And what I usually like to do is just take little drops and put them on my scalp. A lot of people, when it comes to oiling their hair, they're very careful, but with me, no, I'm heavy-handed this because I gotta make sure my hair is completely moisturized. My hair is naturally dry, so I have to make sure it's moisturized. So when I do that, I just take my hands and I rub my scalp good, because you gotta stimulate the scalp for growth. And then I'll take some and put it in my hand like this. And then I just rub it on a part of my hair that I'm focusing on. For me personally, I just do it in a little twist like this. Okay, so now for the main attraction, the main reason why y'all are here, let's get to this ponytail. So what I'm usually going for is a middle slash top, I would say, like right here, ponytail. So what I like to do is I like to take my hair and I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just combing my hair up, you know, so that way my hair flows more easier when I'm in a ponytail. What I like to do is I like to take my Eco Gel and I'll take a big old blob and I'll spread it. Because my hair is so damn thick. I don't know what this is called, but this is literally my holy grail for every single ponytail that I do. It's like a comb slash brush type thing. It prevents me from getting bubbles and stuff, like basically missing hair. And you might see like white residue or some type of white, you know, film or whatever on my hair, but that's okay. That's just from the oil or like any products that I put in other than the gel. So now I'm taking a brush and I'm brushing my hair back. When I brush my hair back, I like to brush out my baby hairs at the same time. Do not play about my edges. So I brush those out. Alright, so next I take a scrunchie. And I always use two because that secures my hair the most. Now that is exactly where I want it to be, I take my edges brush like this, and I go over it. And now I'm doing my edges. Also, too, I wanted you guys' opinion. I wanted to know if y'all like me doing the talk through video, literally from step to step, or if y'all think I'm talking too much. Me personally, when I watch tutorials, I like step to step full talk through, so maybe that's why I'm doing it. But also too, I like talking a lot. I don't know, let me know, because some people just like for people to get to the point, which sometimes I get it. So just let me know you guys' opinions down below. You can tell me that wasn't it. This was it. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair into 3 sections. Like this. Because with this hairstyle, you're going to be using Connect-A-Lawn here or any type of braiding here. And you're basically going to be blending it in with your hair and then adding on to it. But what I like to do is, and it's just me, my own preference, I use this Ikson gel and I just rub it on my hair. Now I'm doing this because what I'm going to do is when it's time to blend the hair, I want to make sure that my hair is not frizzy. Because if you got curly hair like me, no matter when you're doing your hair, it's always going to be. What we're going to do is, we're going to get braiding hair. Again, particularly, I like the pre-stretched hair. This was literally my quarantine hairstyle. I done wore this hairstyle front, back, side, all kinds of angles. So what you do is you get your hair and you take it out the pack, of course. You break it up into 2, just like this. Take it out the pack and you literally put it like a cross. So you have 1 middle side. What you do is you grab the 2 that connect and you take it to the side. Honestly, I'm not even sure, don't quote me on this, I'm not even sure if I'm doing it the right way, but this is the way that I do it. I just basically go on what I see on screen, so this looks right. So we're gonna go with it. And you're gonna kind of turn your hand like that. It's hard to describe. So what you do is, I always grab the middle first, because that's the piece that I have in my hand. I grab the middle first, and then I put this part to the side with my hair. I put this part to the side with this hair. Now, like I said, even if it don't blend, it's okay. It don't have to be perfect, because you can fix it as you go. Exactly what I do every single time. I brush, I comb, whatever I gotta do as I go. What you start doing is you grab all 3 pieces and you literally start braiding. Literally start braiding like as if you're braiding a regular braid. Me personally, I literally always put gel on as I go, always, on each part. So, I don't know why I count to 4. I do 4, and then I take it and bring it to the front like this. Now when I bring it to the front like this, I'll pull it even tighter, so now you're going to take the hair, and you're going to add it to the middle piece that you're holding. And just braid. Always remember to add the gel as you go. So you do that about 2 times. And now you're going to take the second piece and do the same thing all over again. And as you add here, the braid gets longer and longer. Gel to the end, and it looks like this. So now, you see you have this knot But it's cool because you're about to cover that. Don't worry, sis, I got you. So now that you do that, me personally, what I always do, fix up any flyaways that I might have. What you do is you just take this piece. I like to start from the end. And I just take it and wrap the end around. Wrap the end around until I'm able to tuck it up under the entire ponytail. Like the tip of the comb, the end of the comb with some gel, and I'll tuck away all my flyaways. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is definitely an easy style, cheap, versatile. You can wear it up, you can wear it to the side, you can wear it to the back. Sis, you can do anything with it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This is definitely a style that you will not regret doing. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.